people, today is gonna be quite interesting. It's gonna be kind of a couples vlog, but still nah. I mean, yeah, couples vlog something, because like Brynjar, he's going to an airplane and he's gonna fly over Iceland. Like, how cool is that? So yeah, he's gonna take his camera with him, and then yeah, he's gonna send me that shit, and then I'm hopefully gonna meet him tonight, because after tomorrow I will not meet him for like 1 week. So yeah, interesting day we have. At least when he's recording, my day is not really that interesting. I'm just gonna pack stuff and do stuff, and I don't know. It's gonna be really interesting today. I hope so, at least, yeah. I'm looking at some shoes. There is nothing really that is here that I am looking for. I'm looking for everyday shoes, you know. Just simple shoes. Oh wait, they have something from Matt Vagabond. No, it's high heels, no. That doesn't work.
Now this is it. This is it. I'm going to an airplane. In a long time. As you can see, there's already something there. Another one. And just so stressed. Yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, I'll be right back. Oh wait, I was wrong. I found it now. This is it. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, that's
I am looking at stuff with my mom. I was going to go in there, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go to this ice cream store. It's called Valtís. I've never been there, but people say the ice cream there is really good, so I'm gonna try. Because we're downtown anyway, so why not try? Yeah. The store looks really nice, like the front of it looks really cool. There's lots of people sitting there. It looks like it's a really popular ice cream store or something. Yeah. I hope Brynjar is having a good time in the flying thing. Well, I'm gonna get some ice cream. I'm gonna get chocolate instead of something. This is my ice cream, and I bought chocolate and walnut with caramel something, and I bought vanilla ice cream for my mom. Yeah. This is very good ice cream. And I'm back home again. And I'm just gonna go and pack some things. Because I'm gonna go tomorrow. Yeah, I told you guys already about that. But I'm gonna go to my cousin's place for the weekend. And go in the country. So I need a lot of stuff, you know, because I have a lot of stuff and I need a lot of stuff, you know. Yeah. Packing my makeup bag over here. Well, if you want to know what's in my bag, I got super liner, extra black gloss, it's carbon gloss, super liner from L'Oreal. This is like the best eyeliner I've tried. This is probably the 4th time that I buy this. Got some True Mattes L'Oreal foundation. I think this is a good foundation, but like it spreads good and stuff, but sometimes I feel like it's kind of uneven, but I don't know, maybe it's just me. And then I got a sun powder, or like bronzing powder, and this is Dream Terra Sun from Maybelline. This is something from Max Factor, some kind of powder. Nuit Beige. I don't really like this powder, so I'm not gonna even recommend it to you guys. Plus it's almost over, so I need to buy a new powder very soon. And I got a concealer, like cover stick from Maybelline. And I got e.l.f. eyelid primer. I have lipstick from L'Oreal Intense. Can you see the color? Oh, it doesn't focus. But yeah, it's like kind of orangey, peachy color. And then I have Master Smoky Shadow Pencil by Maybelline. I have this brush that I use for my bronzer. It's just like this. Roll it up and roll it down, yeah. And then I have something clear, so this is just something if you get like a pimple or something. But I don't really know, I just don't really use that. This is NYX long pencil. This is this black eyeliner. It's kinda, it was much longer, but yeah. And then I have another one of these because I got 2 of them. And then this is what I use like to fill my eyebrows in. And then I have this Volmax brush Explosion de Pastels Maybelline. I think this is the Rocket, yeah. And then I have a waterproof mascara. I know the thing is all worn off because I used it so much. And then I have this little Hello Kitty mirror. But you can't really see the Hello Kitty sign, it's like all worn off. It's just like this, yeah, I can see myself, yeah, very pretty, I know. And then I have, this is a Goss waterproof, this is a waterproof cream eyeshadow. I have just, a couple brushes here, yeah, more brushes, blending brushes, another mascara, and I have NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil on Milk, which is like the best shit ever. If you want a white background on your eyelids, then go for that. Yeah, it's the best. I have this real technical brushes. All just here. Yeah, I put the blending brush in here. And then it like, you can like make it stand like this. It's very cool. This is just like not even half of my makeup stuff. I have like tons and tons of makeup stuff. Like literally tons. Yeah. Yeah, it was just kinda, yeah. That's not even, that's nothing compared to my drawer. I'll show you my drawer. This is my makeup stuff. Pretty much a lot of it. Yeah. The tons of it in there. Yeah. Eyeshadow palettes. This one. Like this one here. Something to form my eyebrows with. Yeah. Here I have more eyeshadows. It's just like tons, you know. This is a color 24-hour test with Maybelline. I have like 4 or 5 of those. And then I have a MAC eyeshadow here. A lot of eyeshadows, just random eyeshadows. And then little eyeshadow palettes and some MAC pigments and stuff. Yeah. Some stuff. And that's pretty much it. Crazy big toothpaste collection. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, this is the part where all of you people are gonna like, hell no, she's crazy, I'm gonna back off this vlog channel and get the fuck out of here. That girl cray cray. I mean, like, she collects fucking toothpaste. Who does it? I do. This is my toothpaste collection. Yeah, I know, I have a lot of toothpaste. That's a whole lot. Tons of toothpaste. Yeah, basically, now I'm just gonna go and brush my teeth. And then I'm gonna go and whiten my teeth. Like using this whitening kit stuff I have. So this kit is by White Kiss. And that looks like this. Yeah. This gonna be interesting. Oh, I got hair on. Get out. Okay, yeah. Before! Yay, smile. Okay. Other side. Yee! Before teeth. Yeah, okay. This is so weird. Okay. So yeah, you have these little things here. And this thing here. That you just pipe this thing inside, just like, oh, make a line. Yeah, you make a line like this all around. So yeah, and you do this to both parts, and then you just insert it in your mouth. Yeah, now I'm gonna say like this for 1 hour, and I can't do talk with this on for good. That's exciting. If you understand me, then yeah. Yeah, look at my teeth. Smiles. Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. I'm gonna go out and bicycle. You know? Yeah, I like bicycling. So I'm just gonna bicycle like a lot in summer. Ugh, my bicycle's stuck. But okay, yeah. I think this is our house because I decided to bicycle over there. And yes, I am here in her house. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. She confirmed that this is her house, not somebody stranger's house. So now we got that clear. Yes.
Fuck you!
Fuck you! Yes, this is my cousin. Normal family life.
Kom on Josefin, þú ert alveg dick! Þú ert með dick! Þannig að þú veist, já þú ert dick!
Yeah. Thank God some of you guys don't understand that.
Þú skrifa dick!
I know they understand dick, but okay.
Eins gott að þau skilja dick!
Dick?
Dick, penis, cunt!
A beautiful language we Icelanders have. Very nice language we have here in Iceland.
The most beautiful language in the world.
You're a Eastern nerds. I'm kidding.
We're just Icelandic, we know this shit.
Exactly. Eurovision is basic. Whenever Eurovision comes around, everybody stops whatever the fuck they're doing and go to the TV. It's basically a ritual. Eurovision is a yearly ritual. Basically. If you want a description, if all of you people are confused of what Eurovision was if you're from America, basically, it's Game of Thrones of Europe.
Now it's the Hunger Games.
Yes,
with
it's European. I know. Exactly.
Yeah. That was...
And it's glorious and it has glitter.
Yeah, that was talking about Eurovision with Indecent Jens. I am back home. Okay, I hope you guys are not gonna fall down. That spot actually stuck. Oh my god. I don't even know how to skate, so please don't judge. Maybe I can get some tips in the comment, but I don't know. Let me get you guys a second to do this. Okay. And then.
fokkaleg lending sko. Þetta var fokkaleg lending sko.
Þetta var gott.
Hvað fannst þér þetta? Getur náttúrulega trúið að maður eitthvað sjálf sig að
And yeah, we're back.
fá ekki eitthvað svona derhúr og...
That was easy.
Já, mikilvægt. Svona...
That was interesting. Now, I know that I'm definitely not gonna become a professional wheel skater. I don't know.